The problem is back again. The replacement voltage regulator is also sometimes sticking open. So I'm going to try making a solid state voltage regulator in the original voltage regulator shell. The regulator's got 3 terminals. The one connected to the housing is ground. The one marked IGN is 12 volt input. And this last one here is the 5 volt output to the gauges. Now let's see if we can get this thing apart so that I can put a solid state internals in it. Little tabs, so I'm going to try a hammer screwdriver in behind the tabs and get them to open. Okay, let's open it up and have a look inside. Okay, you've got a metal, it's a typical metal spring that heats up and regulates the voltage that way. I'm just going to snip off the factory electronics and leave me with enough tabs to solder to now. This is a 7805 voltage regulator. It's not exactly a modern voltage regulator. These were designed just a few years after the Dart. There's more efficient ones, more precise ones, but this one just has 3 pins. Power in, 5 volts out, ground, just like the voltage regulator. So that makes them very convenient for slipping into a factory voltage regulator shell. The heat shrink tubing I have won't shrink small enough, so electrical tape's going to have to do. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can solder this leg to the case. It's already kind of grounded through that bolt and tab, which is also a secondary ground. I'm going to try to get some solder on it too. Final checkout before we put it on the car. Going to hook up 5 volt. I'll go hook up 12 volts to the ignition terminal. And let's see if the output is almost exactly 5 volts. Now this is just a temporary fix to get the Dart back on the road because I've got some bigger plans here. I've got a Raspberry Pi, I've got this mini monitor, I've got some big plans. So if you hit subscribe, I'll get the files to a 3D printer ready, and this is going to be good.